Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to share with you how to crochet this interlock ball. So to make this I have used single crochet stitches and made 3 strips separately with 6 rounds of single crochets, and at the end interlock them to give the shape of a ball. You can use this interlock balls in number of ways for your crochet project, and you can make these balls any size you want. So before we start to make these interlock balls, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to crochet this interlock ball. To make this, here I am going to use this 3 colors. This is cotton embroidery thread, but you can make this interlock ball with any thread of your choice. And for this embroidery thread I am going to use crochet hook of size 1.6 mm. You will need stitch marker, needle and scissor, and one decorative crystal beads to put this on top. You will also need some fiber. So take your first colored thread and make a slip knot in your crochet hook. So with first color we are going to make chain 29. So chain 29. Now skip your first chain and work in next 28 chain stitches and make one single crochet. (28) single crochet stitches, and our row number 1 is done. Now in row number 2 make chain 1, turn your work. Now we are going to work all our stitches in the front loop of the stitch. So this is the front loop and this is the back loop. So we are going to work all our stitches in front loop of the single crochet stitches. Now we are going to make one single crochet in next 28 stitches, and we are going to make 2 rows, second and third, with one single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this, make one single crochet, work in front loop of these stitches and complete row number 2. And when you reach to the last stitch, again make chain 1, turn your work and work in front loop of the next 28 stitches and complete row number 3. When you work on your last single crochet stitch of row number 3, here we are going to change the color from first to second. So when you work on your last single crochet, keep this 2 loop on your hook. Now take the second colored thread and attach here. Now cut the first colored thread. Now with second color, again we are going to work in the front loop of next 28 stitches, and we are going to make one single crochets. So with second color we are going to make 3 rows with one single crochets and work all the single crochets in front loop of this stitch. So chain 1, turn your work, and when you work on these stitches we are going to secure this loose end. So keep this thread like this in front. Now keep these loose ends over your hook like this. Now work on the front loop of first stitch. Make 1 single crochet. Then on next, work in front loop, 1 single crochet. Then on third, 1 single crochet. So like this, make one single crochets. So total 28 single crochet stitches. Like this, complete row number 4, 5 and 6. So I'm done with all my 6 rows. Now just pull this loose end and cut with some margin. Now take this loose end in a needle. Now we are going to stitch these 2 ends together. So we made one ring. Now by repeating these stitches from round number 1 to round number 6, you need to make 2 more parts like this. So when you make the second part, make a ring like this, and when you make the third part, keep this 2 ends loose, and you can use the color combination as you want. Here I use this 2 colors, so I have 3 colors, so I'm going to use the combination with 3 rounds with 1 color and 3 rounds with 2 color. But if you want, you can make this with 1 color also. So total 6 round with one single crochet and 1 work all the single crochets in front loop of these stitches. So I will complete my second ring and the third part. So I made my second ring also. Just when you stitch this part, so this is the back side, just fold it to the front and here I made my third one. So when you make the third strip, just make chain 1 and pull this thread and cut with some margin. Now take this first ring, then take the second ring. Now fold this first ring and insert it. Now take this third strip. Now insert it to the first strip here. Like this. Now take out to the other side, to this part here. Now take this thread and a needle and we are going to stitch these two ends. Now in this gap here we are going to fill this fiber. So this interlock ball is done. Now if you want to use this as a hanging, so I'm going to make this loop. So make chain 35. After chain 35, skip first chain and in next 34 chain stitches we are going to make one slip stitch. So 34 slip stitches. Now just pull this thread and cut with some margin. Now take this thread and a needle. Now so first stitch these two ends. Now take this ball and in any corner of this where these three strips join, here take our needle So this interlock ball is done. If you want, you can make this tassel and stitch this to this bottom of this corner. So I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.